Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Tonight I've popped down to Third Road, Pattaya Central. We're on Third Road here. The traffic lights, if you can see down there, that's Central Road, Klang. Third Road. That Soi across the road is Soi 19. Runs straight down to Soi Bukau, out by the market there. Towards Central Road end. This here, opposite, Soi 14, Third Road. The reason I've brought you here, I'll be doing a bit along Third Road and behind for long term people staying cheaper apartments, slightly at the back Third Road, but literally straight across the Suez down into Soi Bukau. And I've brought you here to show you this little place. And it's called Steak Kai. Amazing little food, little restaurant, and we're talking. Have a look at this. So we can have a bite to eat. Show you the food, show you what it's like, how good it is, and you've got many Thais that eat here, and Farangs. You've got your long-term expat Farangs. We'll have a look, see what it's about. Okay, we're in. Here's the menu. As I said, we're at Steak Kai. Has Wi-Fi. I'm going for the pork steak, 79 baht. The beef steak is 139 baht. But as you can see, it's all very cheap here. Extras, any extra you want. Spaghetti, all the spaghettis are 69 and 65 baht. Bacon carbonara cream, 69 baht. Where did it go? There it is there. Bacon carbonara cream, 69 baht. Your salads, soups, rice, chicken rice steak, 79 baht. Water, 10 baht. That's the same price as 7-Eleven, I believe. Might be 9 baht in 7-Eleven. So, Chang Leo Singer, 60 baht for a beer. Red wine by the glass, 90 baht. So, we've ordered the pork steak. We'll have a look when it comes. It's just arrived. Now remember, even with the bottle of water, this is 89 baht. Here it is now. No drooling. No drooling. 79 baht. Unbelievable. Anyway, let me get on with it. I'll come back to you and let you know how it was. No drooling. Stop it. Well, I've got to say that was delicious. The pork was beautiful, succulent, juicy, wasn't dry, a good thickness. The salad was drizzled with the sauces of 1,000 islands. Unbelievable, unbelievable. And 79 baht plus 10 baht for the bottle of water. Ridiculous prices, ridiculous. Anyway, I do hope you like the little vlog. We are literally third road, Soi 19 coming down from Soi Buakhao, which is opposite the market at Recon Bar End, the market there. The Soi 19, because there isn't a number, there isn't a bolt. The bolts are descending third road. If you're coming along third road, we're on the corner of Soi 14, opposite Soi 19. So hopefully you'll like it. 79 baht, absolutely delicious. Ain't enough, I'm full. I really am. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share. You ain't got to. But if you hated it, I mean, give me a thumbs up, like and a share. It don't matter. And please subscribe. Again, you don't have to, but it would be nice. Anyway, nice little steakhouse, 79 baht. Beef steak, 139. A lovely place. And literally opposite, back into Soi Buakhao, out for the night. Anyway, be showing you around third road, behind third road, next few vlogs, showing you cheap living, cheap stay, good retirement places. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.